So I got this free Soundcard Oscilloscope program. It doesn't really have a specific name. It's made by someone named Christian Zeitnitz. It's German. The link is in the description to download it. And I've been experimenting with it and seeing how the waveform reacts to different things. Probably to anyone experienced in using oscilloscopes, this stuff will seem very basic and not very interesting at all. But I just found it cool. So here I have my amplifier circuit. This stuff over here is just I was testing some FM transmitter stuff. But here is the amplifier. It's just your basic transistor amplifier circuit with a low-pass filter to stop it from picking up radio waves, because it does do that. If I use a long antenna, it will pick up AM radio. Okay, so here I'll just... Okay, so now you will see this waveform. Now there is no actual signal source, like no oscillator, no signal generator attached to this. This is just, what you're seeing here is just noise that it's picking up from the environment. So there are a few interesting things I've observed about this. Firstly, I have a dimmer switch. Okay, so I'll just zoom in here. Now when I turn on the light, watch what happens. See a little thing appeared in the waveform. Now if I turn the dimmer switch, that moves. So what I'm doing here is I'm just, all I'm doing is turning the dimmer switch. And when I do that, that moves. I don't know. I just found that interesting, and it is picking up mainly power line noise, because as you can see, wait a second, that's to focus. It's 60 Hertz, so that is power line frequency. Also, if I touch this lamp, if I touch the metal part of this lamp here, then the amplitude of the waveform will increase quite dramatically, actually. So yeah, just a couple interesting things. So the Soundcard program is free. When it starts up, it says it's not freeware, but I think by that it just means you can't use it for commercial use. It's a great program. It will measure voltages and frequency, although the voltages, I don't know how accurate that is. I haven't really tested it much, and I don't see how the Soundcard could give it any voltage data. And as for the circuit, I might upload a schematic. If I do, I'll put it in the description. These are just 2N2222A transistors and some 220 microfarad capacitors to block out DC. So, yep, that's it. Another few specific details about the circuit and how it's connected is, in order to connect it to my laptop, I'm using just a regular audio cable, like this, and that is connected to one of these, which has leads soldered onto it. This one's the ground, and this one is, I'm not sure which channel is which, but these two are the audio channels, this one and this one. So the ground is just connected to the negative terminal on the battery, the negative rail, and the other channel is just connected to the output of the amplifier circuit. And the input is just this long antenna, which picks up a good amount of signals from the air. So yeah, again, there will probably be a schematic, so this will be shown in even more detail.